Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're gonna fly Yak-130. Enjoy the show. All right, I'm taking off.
I'm gonna get on the other side. Makes me want to watch your jet now.
No.
Nope.
Come on, try.
No.
Come on, Frank, be brave.
The only jet I could probably fly is a jet and a club.
We know we can do it, Frank.
The only jet I can fly is probably the green jet and a club. You want to go check it out?
It is windy. Lots of flaps.
You want to go check out?
Time to come in.
I seen it.
I don't know. You finding it hard to fly?
I can't tell if it's free or not.
You ain't got much wing on that thing, huh?
No, this thing flies super nimbly.
I can't tell if the thing's free or not.
You almost made it off ground with your air scout. That was quite the takeoff, Frank.
I know. Scared a couple people. I'll get on the other side of you, okay?
How much? Is it like
Little touchy takeoff there. All right, guys. You guys saw a great takeoff there. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.